Hello friends, welcome back to another session. We are just continuing with solving of the numericals. We were doing we have done two numericals in the previous session of solutions. Okay, and I've given you in the first part, I've given you all the formulae, and now we are moving on to solving the third numerical. So initially, as I told you, we are taking basic numericals, easy ones, and as we move ahead, we'll go on for the tougher ones as well. So here we have methanol and ethanol solution. Methanol mixed with ethanol, they're forming an ideal solution at 300 Kelvin. Calculate the total pressure of solution. So in Raoult's law, in part one of this series, in Raoult's law, I've shown you that the total vapor pressure is equivalent to P naught 1 x1, that is vapor pressure. Say for example, now here you are mixing methanol and ethanol. So let's take methanol as vapor pressure of methanol, individual vapor pressure of methanol multiplied by mole fraction of methanol plus individual vapor pressure. Here I'll write M so that this will indicate methanol, and this is ethanol and its mole fraction. Vapor pressure of ethanol multiplied by its mole fraction. So other vapor pressures been given, individual vapor pressure of methanol and ethanol have been given. We have to find out the mole fraction. So let us put up the values of methanol. Methanol is given over here. Individual vapor pressure of methanol is 90 mm. When it is individual vapor pressure, it's called as partial pressure also. Okay, so 90 mm per AG multiplied by x1. What is x1? That we don't know, we'll find out shortly. Then partial pressure of ethanol, instead of ethanol we can put in the value 51 mm of ag multiplied by x2. Okay, so let us find out x1 and x2. How do we find out x1 and x2? We already know x1 can be found out mole fraction, x1 can be found out by number of moles of that. X1 is for methanol, so number of moles of methanol upon the total number of moles. So what is the number of moles? How to find out number of moles? W1 upon M1 divided by W1 upon M1 plus W2 upon M2. So what is methanol ka given mass of methanol? So this was given, actually I missed to write that. 32 gram of methanol and 23 gram of ethanol, it's given. Okay, so let's find out the W1 given mass of ether. Let's find out the number of moles given mass of methanol. What did we say? 32 grams and 23 grams for this one. So 32 divided by the molar mass of methanol. So methanol molar mass will be CH3OH 12 plus 3 plus 16 plus 1. 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 16 is 31, 31 and 32. So 32 divided by 32, answer will come as 1 divided by W1. This is again 1. Now we have got the answer. W1 by M1 is 1 plus W2 by M2. What is W2? Ethanol. So ethanol weight is given to us 23 gram, and molar mass of ethanol we'll find it out over here, C2H5OH. This is 12 into 2 plus 1 into 5 plus 16 plus 1. So 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 5 plus 17. So this will become 24 plus 5, 29, 29 plus 7, 36, 46. So 46 is the molar mass of ethanol. So 23 2s are, so this will become 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 0.5. So this entire equation becomes 1 upon 1 plus 0.5, which is nothing but 1 upon 1.5. So 1 upon 1.5 is the mole fraction of what? Mole fraction of methanol. Okay, and we also have to find out mole fraction of ethanol as well. So let's just quickly do this. 1 upon 1.5. Let me just quickly do it on the calculator. Yeah, so 1 divided by 1.5, how much is that? It is 0.66. It's like 3 by 2. Okay, so 0.66. So coming back to 0.66 is the answer. 0.667 you can write, or 0.667. So let's do the same thing for x2, because we want x2 as well. So x2 is equal to n2 upon n1 plus n2. So how much is n2? N2 we have just found out now. N2 is just 0.5. So 0, here we have found out N2. So 0.5 upon the total number of volts, which is 1.5. So 0.5 into 3 is 1.5. 1 by 3, answer is 0.333. Okay, so this is x2 ka value. Now come on, let's put up the x2 and x1 ka values over here. 90 into the x1 ka value, has come as 0.667 here, value of x1, and value of x2 is here 0.33. So plus 51 multiplied by 0.33. Okay, so once again we require the calculator for multiplying 90 into 0.667. The calculator, yeah, here it is. Wait, yeah. So we will multiply 90 into 0.667. So 90 into 0.667 is giving you 60.03. Okay, so 60.03 is what you are getting over here. Let me write it over here. 60.03 plus 51 into 0.33. It's like doing 51 divided by 3. Yeah, 51 divided by 3. So this is 17. Okay, or if you want, I'll do it normally. 51 multiplied by 0.333. This is 16.983 to be exact. Okay, so 16.983 here, 16.983. So the total will come equivalent to, this is your P total. P total is equal. So 60.03 plus 16.983 is 77 mm, almost. I'm just rounding it off. 77 mm per Hg. This is your total vapor pressure of the solution.